For the exercise B, listen which job is best for each person. Write the number. هنا غادي نصنتو على واحد الاوديو conversation وغنصنتو على هاد الشخصيات كاملين: ايمان، ستيفاني، رضا، عبد القادر، رينا، ايدير، وغنشوفو شنو هي المهنه اللي كتجي مع كل واحد وغنديرو الارقام في هاد البلاصه هادي.
Iman loves cooking and baking. She likes making delicious desserts.
Stephanie loves working with animals. She likes taking care of them when they are sick or hurt.
Reda enjoys cutting people's hair. He loves making them feel happy.
Abdulkader likes meeting and talking to people. He can write very well.
Rena loves cars. She likes driving and she enjoys learning how to fix cars.
Idir enjoys working outdoors. He likes growing plants and vegetables.
غادي نعاودو نصنتو الاوديو مره واحده اخرى وغادي نشوفو هاد لي فراز ولا هاد الجمل هادو شنو هي الشخصيه اللي كيوصفوها بالضبط.
Idir enjoys working outdoors. He likes growing plants and vegetables.
Reda enjoys cutting people's hair. He loves making them feel happy.
Iman loves cooking and baking. She likes making delicious desserts.
Rena loves cars. She likes driving and she enjoys learning how to fix cars.
Stephanie loves working with animals. She likes taking care of them when they are sick or hurt.
Abdulkader likes meeting and talking to people. He can write very well.
Grammar in context. Read the phrases in exercise B2 then complete the grammar box. دونك عندكم هنا غنكمل عندكم like, enjoy, love plus verb ing. نقولوا I like working with animals. I like working with animals. وكنقولوا I enjoy working with animals. وكنقولوا I love working with animals. It's okay. You like working with animals. You enjoy working with animals. واش فهمتوا يعني التركيبه ديال لافراز كيفاش كتكتب؟ في الحالات العكس الا كنت ما كيعجبنيش مثلا نخدم واحد الخدمه كنقول I don't like working with animals. I don't enjoy working with animals. I don't love working with animals. كاين جوج ديال العبارات. نشوفوا هنايا he likes making desserts. She likes making desserts. It likes making desserts. وإلا كان في العكس اللي ما كيعجبوش شي حاجة كيقول he doesn't like making desserts. He doesn't love making desserts. He doesn't enjoy making desserts. يعني فهمتوا هاد العبارة خصنا نستعملو هنا complete the sentences. دابا غادي نستعملو غنطبقو هاد القواعد اللي عندكم هنايا. I really enjoy. عندكم هنا work. دونك شنو كناخد هذا كيتزاد له ing كنقولوا I really enjoy working with other people. Does he like doing research؟ هنا doing research. He like doing هيا he likes doing. صافي. They don't enjoy working individually. Don't enjoy working individually. ما كيعجبوش يخدم بوحدو. ما كيعجبهمش يخدموا بوحدهم. زهير loves traveling to the other country. زهير هذه loves هي هذه loves ولا enjoys ولا likes traveling to other countries. كيعجبو يسافر لدول أخرى. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? شنو كيعجبك دير في الوقت الفراغ ديالك؟ هنايا حميد and سهام love helping their classmates use their computer. مثلا شنو هاد الحوايج اللي عندكم هنا؟ عندكم bake كطيب، cook, draw, bake, cook, draw, fix things, garden يعني البستانة help people كتعاون الناس make arts meet people كتلاقى الناس paint كترسم sell things كتبيع الحوايج take care of people تعتني بالناس teach people تقريهم travel تسافر use a computer يعني تستعمل الحاسوب work outdoor تخدم على برا work with animals ولا يعني تخدم مع تعتني بالحيوانات. دونك انت جوج عندكم لي فراز اللي غتستعملوا شنو هما غتقولوا I enjoy working with animals enjoy ولا I like ولا I love وزيدوا الفيرب زائد ال ing صافي ولا الا استعملتو she مثلا ولا هي ولا it my mother doesn't like traveling يعني هنايا كتقول doesn't like ما كيعجبهاش تسافر. دوك انا كتبت لكم هنايا واحد 5 sentences my father doesn't like traveling ما عزيزش عليه يسافر my father doesn't like traveling I like eating the couscous I like eating the couscous my sister loves driving my sister loves driving my brother like using a computer my brother like using a computer Hassan loves taking care of people